terminating saw, so as soon as it completes the cut, it will turn off. I can come over here to the iron worker and start cutting out 3-inch by 6-inch blanks that are going to become my foot pads. I don't know how well it will turn up. I'm going to cut 6-inch by 1/4-inch thick flat stock here with just the push of a foot pedal. Oh, that's got some power to it. Let's check our blank here. That's hot. Okay, we're building 3 cross members. So we have our 6 perfectly cut 1/4-inch billets or blanks, whichever you prefer. I'm going to change my 1-inch punch down to a 3/8 punch because the rest of the machine's cross members have 3/8 bolts in them. About to install our brand new 3/8 punch and die. Okay, we used our scribe caliper. These things are super hard. Just scribed a couple of lines. 1-inch 500 thousandths to find dead center. And we only have to mark one of these and we can get uniform holes all the way through. Simply using a center punch to mark where the scribed lines met, we can line up with the nipple on the bottom of the punch and then set our backrest and just continually chomp these out. Got all 6 billets stacked up. See straight down the hole. Beautiful. I don't know how well that will turn up, but just setting my scribe caliber at 2-inch and setting it at 500 thousandths, I'm able to scribe that out without doing any real measuring work with like a measuring tape or a combination square. 2-inch square tube. Everything is square and perpendicular. I did all of these within just a couple of minutes with the scribe caliper, and this is great for production runs. I have to build 3 of these cross members. These are very inexpensive. I think Charlie picked this one up at Rural King probably 10 to 15 years ago. I've been using it ever since. Cannot wear it out. It's stainless steel and hardened, and I just, for good measure, keep my thousandths conversion chart in there, and a pen and a pencil for when I'm doing lathe or mill work. Now you can see how the scribe lines can correspond. I'll be able to just freehand that, get a tack on it, tack the other side, do a test fit, and weld these out. It'll be like that. One on the opposing end. Don't be a dingus like I have been in the past. Weld one that way and one that way. That's always hilarious. Okay, we have our first one tacked out. Got our fume extractor on because why not? I like to live a little bit longer than normal. Pay no mind to this being at a slight angle. I have this spread wider than it's supposed to be, just to make sure that I could get good fit up. Some knucklehead, previous owner, cut off the cross member here, up there, right where that 6x6 is, and right here. Just no call to do that to a good old machine. This machine is from 1946. We're bringing it back to operating condition. It's going to run another 20 to 40 years before it'll need a total overhaul.